we're gonna be opening 5 surprises, which I made a mistake. I opened this one on regular, which this was all on this ball. And I'm going to open this ball.
Okay, you open that one. Open this one.
Yeah, that's my mom in the back. He's annoying. Oh, shoot. Shoot.
Got more plastic.
God, more plastic? I need scissors. Can someone give me scissors?
Hold on, I got it.
I need scissors. Sorry, guys.
There, I got it.
How did you do it? Where did you find that at?
There you go. Here, I got it. Use that one.
My dad opened this one, and boom! They're little apple slices. I took that off, and now it's a whole bunch of mess. I'm going to open it. Let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. Ooh, what is this? Mayo. Ooh, yum. Good for when I... Ooh, Papa, these are your favorites.
Let's see, what is it?
Little
Donuts.
donuts. My chocolate. Ooh. Oh, what is that?
Let's see what that is. This is soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Good for whenever you're eating. Noodles. Ooh, I got this, which I don't know what totally is. Looks like a shopping
It's another shopping cart. Okay, put it inside.
shopping basket. Ooh, I got 5 surprise stickers. Let's see what it is. It's the basket.
Mm-hmm.
Get the basket.
What else?
That's my papa. He's tired. He's annoying. So as my mom. And look it. I don't know what that is, but I got it.
This is...
Anyway. And yeah, that's all for this one. I'm taking all of the wrappers out of. Putting them in the trash, which they won't want to leave me.
2-in-1 shaving cream.
And yeah, my dad did this one, this one, and this one.
Okay.
And I'm peeling the little tubey off. And we mess pull that one off again. Now it's so cool, but apple slices. Yummy. How come apple slices? I wanted this one. It's the Smarties. Smarties, yummy, yummy, yummy in my
Bag
tummy.
of Smarties.
Add that in my pile too. Ah, my cat! That's weird. Come here for next time. Ooh, yes. Another checklist. We'll put that to the side. And I got the ding dong.
The
You love
cupcakes.
these, right?
Cupcakes.
I'm going to add that to my box pile. And yo, I ripped it! Peanut butter! Peanut butter. Open.
It doesn't open.
Okay, I got peanut butter. Yummy. I want to eat that right now. Poor thing. I'm gonna put that. Sorry, guys. Come back. I broke it. How weird of me. I feel something grumpy. And something flat. What is it? Aww. They gave me the shopping cart again.
It's another basket. Let's see what it looks like inside the bowl. Let's see. Show me. Don't take it out. Leave it in there. Show me. Show the camera.
Ah, it won't stay.
It's a mess.
Oh, it's the shopping basket.
Yep. Let's see what else we got. Got one more.
Shopping basket.
One more surprise.
5 surprise. Let's do it again.
Last surprise.
Last surprise.
What is it?
What is it? It is deodorant.
You got some deodorant.
Wait, I ripped my nail. Ow. Ow.
Let's see. Let me see the deodorant.
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 And yeah, subscribe to Christopher's 5 surprise hauls.
And that's it.
And bye.
This is what we got. All that.
All of that. I want to eat them all. And bye. And subscribe.